Good day, grade 10. Today we are going to talk about the lesson 5 in English 10, which is distinguishing between general and specific statements. Let us talk about first a general statement. What is a general statement? The general statement essentially indicates the broad key and main point of the text and usually demonstrates and highlights the topic sentence or the main idea of the sentence. It conveys the overall characteristics and aspect of people, things, concepts, ideas, or phenomena. On the other hand, the specific statement provides details or pieces of evidence that will support and strengthen how the readers understand the main topic. It intends to define, expound, and emphasize ideas by indicating the specific and unique details and features of people, things, concepts, ideas, or phenomena. To further understand the general statement and specific statement, listen to the following examples of the two. For general statement, we have the Philippines is a Southeast Asian archipelagic country. For its specific statement, the Philippines is a Southeast Asian archipelagic country comprised of 7,641 islands divided into three geographical areas: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It was colonized by three powerful, influential nations: Spain, the United States of America, and Japan. The country gained its independence from foreign rule on June 12, 1898. Another example for general state, we have social media is a digital platform consisting of applications that allow people to interact, participate, create, and share content. For its specific statement, social media is a digital platform consisting of applications that allow people to interact, participate, create, and share content. It includes any type of feature of the digital sphere such as social networks like Facebook and Twitter, online media, or online media sharing network like YouTube or Instagram, discussion spaces like Reddit and Quora, bookmarking bookmarking networks like Pinterest and Flipboard, social shopping and selling networks like Zalora, Lazada, and Shopee, dating networks aside like Tinder and Bumble, and passenger transport applications like Grab and Angkas.